The constitutional violations of these laws are not limited to the First Amendment. Not only do the National Vaccine Injury Compensation Act and the PrEP Act claim immunity from any suit involved that covered countermeasures, but they both claim that no court, federal or state, would have jurisdiction. Now, Section 7 of the PrEP Act goes on to claim immunity for the Secretary. No court of the United States or of any state shall have subject matter jurisdiction to review, whether by mandamus or otherwise, any action by the Secretary under this subsection. I looked at the PrEP Act, and you know what I didn't find? Any mention of which Secretary was getting immunity. I assume it's the Secretary of Health and Human Services, but the law doesn't actually state that, at least not as far as I found. There's still a constitutional problem with this part of the legislation. Congress has no authority over the jurisdiction of state courts. Under Article 3, Section 1 of the Constitution, the judicial power of the United States shall be vested in one Supreme Court and in such inferior courts as the Congress may from time to time ordain and establish. Congress only ordains and establishes Article 3 courts, i.e. federal courts. They do not ordain, nor do they have the power to regulate state courts. And before you claim supremacy clause in order for a law made by Congress to be considered supreme, it must be made pursuant or following the Constitution of the United States. So strike three when it comes to constitutionality.